In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Azazie promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser, and once you're there, you're gonna search up Azazie promo code. So once you have done that, you're gonna head over to this first website, couponfollow.com, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're on the website, you're gonna see many codes. So the first one is Azazie promo code, which gives you a 10% off on any order. So you can click on it. And this code right here, say EMS10 is gonna give you a 10% off. So to claim it, all you have to do is click copy, and then you're gonna click continue to Azazie.com, which is gonna take you to their official website. So once you're there on their website, you can choose your products and then use this code at checkout, which is gonna give you a 10% discount. Similarly, you can also check out other codes as well. So there's another 10% off discount here. So sign to 10 is another code which gives you a 10% discount. So you're gonna follow the same steps. You're gonna copy, you're gonna head over to their website and use it at checkout. So now I'm gonna head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website, Retail Me Not. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many codes as well. So I'm gonna scroll down until I see a code. So it looks like there are only sales on this website. So let's say you're looking for a 10% off free shipping over orders above 120. So let's say whenever you buy something over $120, you can get a free shipping. So yeah. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.